So, we back at the drop-in mob. Now we back down at the bottom of that hill we climbed, getting on the highway to head towards home. We're gonna test the highway and see how bad it is out. You know, because certain areas they say it's bad. So we're gonna get out here and get a little first snowstorm footage on the way back to the crib. Might as well, you know, put some work in while you out here, right? So we're gonna put some work in. Might be, you know, I don't know how y'all gonna like it. It might be a long video, it might be a short video. I'm gonna try and see what I can do for y'all. You know, everybody don't like sitting through videos long anyway. So we're gonna test the waters out here on this highway. We got a few people getting off, as you can see. Ooh, I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. That shit scared the shit out of me. Excuse me. That scared the mess out of me, y'all. Car came past and splashed the side of it like something hit it with the slush. Yeah, I ain't the only crazy person getting on the highway right now, just so y'all know. I got people behind me. I got like 2 cars behind me. And I got one in front of me. And this is what you're seeing getting on the ramp. And you see the trucks pulling that hill slow over there, coming up from my area. Oh yeah. One lane ain't even got nowhere nobody was riding at. They ain't even plowed the one lane. They probably did, but didn't do a good job. So, yeah, I'm gonna try and get some footage for y'all and not kill myself at the same time or anybody else. But speed limit 55, we doing 45 right now. Phone wasn't too big for my dash thing, I would be able to have it up there. But just so y'all can see, I'm going down a hill, so we're gonna see how my truck gonna do the hill on the highway. Hopefully it ain't bad down here. As y'all can see, it's getting ready to get dark. You know, time changed, so everything gets dark quicker. So a lot of people don't even see the black ice, but none of that. So play it safe out here and just get y'all a little content. I gotta come back out here anyway and pick my son up at 8 o'clock. Car decided he wanted to shoot around me. I'm doing 50. I'm right behind another car, as y'all can see. So, yep, y'all, we headed back to my neck of the woods. Further into the country. So I'll turn the camera back on in a minute because actually I'm holding the phone with one hand at the same time. So looks pretty clear, so I can probably ride it on. So I'll catch y'all in a little bit, or I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace. Well, y'all, I made it home, as y'all can actually see out the window, but we gonna go ahead and run my neighbor over to her bank because her tire got flat and she ain't gonna make it out here in the snow with that little bitty car. And y'all already know how the snow is outside. So say hey to my neighbor Nita.
Hey man.
She's on the YouTube for the first time. Well, actually ain't the first time. I'm quite sure y'all have seen her other times too, but y'all actually get to see her face instead of at night out there with the crackling of the fireworks. So we're gonna take this ride across the street in this damn snow. Yeah, it's bad out Eisenhower.
You going down that way?
Yeah, that's the way I went out.
Really?
Yeah.
Did you brush shovel that?
He's supposed to have went through the whole damn trailer park.
Yeah.
He's supposed to have went through
Now
the...
they're fucking talking about 8 more inches.
Yeah, that's what they've been saying.
Sonny.
Where he at?
I don't know.
He's somewhere with snow?
But he's getting a load to come home to Bethlehem, Pennsylvania.
Oh.
And he was going to come home tomorrow.
Right.
And he said, no, not seeing how the weather is.
Yeah, because it's bad out here. It ain't no good.
Yep.
For nobody to be out here. If you really ain't got four-wheel drive, you should stay in the house. Be honest with you.
Yeah, and then they had a thing on TV. They said, if you don't have to travel anywhere, don't go.
Yeah. Of course, that don't include the people that have to go to work. Ugh. Okay, I pull right on through. That's why I like my truck. The Magnum, if she was running, she would be parked. Not unless I was just going somewhere to play in the snow.
Really? Mm-hmm. That's a civil one?
Yeah, the silver car. Yeah. It's crazy out here today. I came back home down to my YouTubers,
Oh.
my subscribers, checking out the Pennsylvania weather. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I know Melissa, like, he just pulled in here because I know she watching me on the Life 360. Like, he just pulled in, now he's pulling back out. Yep, I sure am.
What are you doing flashing your lights?
Getting right here.
Welcome.
Everybody leaving their house because there's a bunch of people over at their house. Yeah. I came back. I went straight up Eisenhower. When I say Eisenhower is bad, I mean it's bad. I went straight up Eisenhower. I made it. And then I was going to go through Wimber, but they had an accident on the back road where they had traffic backed up all the way through the back way. I turned off onto one of the side streets. You couldn't even see the accident. It was just so many people just parked.
They need to cut them freaking...
Them limbs?
Yeah.
Yeah, because they ain't doing nothing laying down.
About that.
Yeah, ain't doing nothing laying down.
Because it's on their land, right?
Yeah, that's their land. Yeah. Ladarius is called. Alright, I'm gonna get back to y'all. My son called.